بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
والصافات صفا.
By those who range themselves in rows.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
By those who reprove severely.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
And those who recite the exhortation.
إن إلهكم لواحد.
Surely your God is one.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما ورب المشارق.
The Lord of the heavens and the earth, and of whatever lies between the two, the Lord of the easts.
إنا زينا السماء الدنيا بزينة الكواكب.
We have adorned the lower heaven with adornment of the stars.
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد.
And have protected it from every rebellious Satan.
لا يسمعون إلى الملأ الأعلى ويقذفون من كل جانب.
These Satans cannot listen to what transpires in the high council, for they are pelted away from every side.
دحورا ولهم عذاب واصب.
And are repelled. Theirs is an unceasing chastisement.
إلا من خطف الخطفة فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب.
And if any is able to snatch a fragment, he is pursued by a piercing flame.
فاستفتهم أهم أشد خلقا أم من خلقنا إنا خلقناهم من طين لازب.
So ask them, that is human beings, were they harder to create than the objects we created? We created them from sticky clay.
بل عجبت ويسخرون.
You marvel at the wondrous creations of Allah, and they scoff at it.
وإذا ذكروا لا يذكرون.
And when they are admonished, they pay no heed.
وإذا رأوا آية يستسخرون.
And if they see any sign, they laugh it away.
وقالوا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And say, this is nothing but plain sorcery.
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
Is it ever possible that after we die and are reduced to dust and a skeleton of bones, we will be raised to life?
أَوَآبَاؤُنَا الْأَوَّلُونَ.
And so also shall our forefathers of yore be raised to life.
قُلْ نَعَمْ وَأَنْتُمْ دَاخِرُونَ.
Tell them, yes, and you are utterly helpless against Allah.
فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم ينظرون.
There will be a single stern rebuff, and lo, they will be observing with their own eyes all that they had been warned against.
وقالوا يا ويلنا هذا يوم الدين.
They will then say, woe for us, this is the day of judgment.
هذا يوم الفصل الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
Yes, this is the day of final decision that you used to deny as a lie.
احشروا الذين ظلموا وأزواجهم وما كانوا يعبدون.
Then will the command be given, muster all the wrongdoers and their spouses and the deities whom they used to serve.
من دون الله فاهدوهم إلى صراط الجحيم.
Apart from Allah, and direct them to the path of hell.
وقفوهم إنهم مسؤولون.
And detain them there, they will be called to account.
ما لكم لا تناصرون.
How is it that you're not helping one another?
بل هم اليوم مستسلمون.
Indeed, today they are surrendering themselves completely.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون.
They will then turn towards each other and start wrangling.
قالوا إنكم كنتم تأتوننا عن اليمين.
The followers will say to their leaders, you used to come to us from the right hand.
قالوا بل لم تكونوا مؤمنين.
They will say, nay, you yourselves were not the ones who would believe.
وما كان لنا عليكم من سلطان بل كنتم قوما طاغين.
We had no power over you. You were a rebellious people.
فحق علينا قول ربنا إنا لذائقون.
And so we became deserving of the word of our Lord, that we shall be made to suffer chastisement.
فأغويناكم إنا كنا غاوين.
So we led you astray, we ourselves were strayed.
فإنهم يومئذ في العذاب مشتركون.
On that day, they will all share the chastisement.
إنا كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
Thus do we treat the culprits.
إنهم كانوا إذا قيل لهم لا إله إلا الله يستكبرون.
Whenever it was said to them, there's no true deity apart from Allah, they waxed proud.
ويقولون إنا لتاركو آلهتنا لشاعر مجنون.
And said, shall we forsake our deities for the sake of a distracted poet?
بل جاء بالحق وصدق المرسلين.
They say so, although he brought the truth and confirmed the veracity of the messengers.
إنكم لذائق العذاب الأليم.
They will be told, you shall taste the grievous chastisement.
وما تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
You will only be recompensed according to your deeds.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
But Allah's chosen servants shall be spared this woeful end.
أولئك لهم رزق
For them awaits a known provision.
فواكه وهم مكرمون.
A variety of delicious fruits, and they shall be honored.
في جنات النعيم.
In the gardens of bliss.
على سرر متقابلين.
They will be seated upon couches set face to face.
يطاف عليهم بكأس من معين.
A cup filled with wine from its springs will be passed around to them.
بيضاء لذة للشاربين.
White, sparkling wine, a delight to the drinkers.
لا فيها غول ولا هم عنها ينزفون.
There will neither be any harm in it for their body, nor will it intoxicate their mind.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف عين.
There shall be wide-eyed maidens with bashful, restrained glances.
كأنهن بيض مكنون.
So delicate as the hidden peel under an egg's shell.
فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون.
Then some of them will turn to others and will ask each other,